Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna jump straight into this video, you guys. I have in 99 braids. It took me 7 hours, and I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so I wanted something very versatile and lightweight. And so y'all know me, I just do my hair myself. So yeah, let's get started. Before you do any kind of install, make sure you wash and deep condition your hair. And yeah, so I didn't use any kind of tools. I'm just sectioning my hair in small pieces with my hands. I am using the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gel along with the Miss Jessie's Hold Me Down Edge Control. Do not use this jam, you guys. I got the wrong product and I used this in my head, but it didn't do anything. It just wasted my time and my money. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I did. So I'm taking that piece of hair. This is the hair that I use. It's from Expression. I will link everything down in the description box so that you'll have it, but you want to make sure you're doing exactly what I just did there, which is undo the ends of this hair first and then pull it apart. This hair does come in sections, so you don't have to worry about like pulling out the right amount. It just comes in pieces, so you're just able to pull it, but make sure you either pull those ends apart or just clip the ends so that you're able to split the hair much better. So here, you guys, I'm just doing I guess you can call it a Senegalese twist, whatever you want to call it, but just a 2-strand twist, and I'm twisting it at the base. Now, I twist my hair a lot different, or maybe I twist it the same as people. I really don't know, but however I do it, it stays in my hair. So it's not necessarily tight, but it's secure. And I don't have to worry about it slipping, but all of my braids are very loose, and that's why I like doing my own hair. I don't have to worry about tight scalp or anything like that. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing here, just twisting it as I go down. And you want to make sure you twist this hair all the way down to the ends like I'm showing you right there. All right, so again, I'm just taking a piece of hair and clipping the excess out the way, splitting the hair in two and twisting it all over again. Alright guys, and as you're twisting all the way down, just make sure you're adding a little bit of gel for a nice and neat look. Alright guys, so about my edges, I'm very sensitive when it comes to them. I don't have the thickest edges, so I have to be really careful with what I do. So here I'm just taking a little bit of gel. I'm gonna use the twist method to secure my braid. I do not braid my edges under any circumstances because that just causes a little bit too much tension for me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist all the way down, and then you're gonna see me with this braid in my mouth. Now, you use your own method, but I pretty much just stick the braid in my mouth to stop twisting at the base because it's just getting tighter and tighter. So that's all I'm doing that for, and then I'm able to braid all the way down. Alright, so here you can braid this hair and then twist it, which is what I'm showing you right here. I do not braid the tightest no matter what, so I'm not the best at this, but I do use this method more so in the middle of my head, like the middle backish towards my head, the middle backish of my head. And so you just braid maybe like an inch down, and then you just split your hair in two, and then just continue to 2-strand twist using a little gel along the way to make it nice and neat. And you've got a different way to just attach that hair. And so as you go all the way down, if you come across what I have here, 2 separate sections that are uneven, just borrow some hair and keep it moving, friend. Alright, so I can't stress this enough, but no style is ever worth your edges. So again, I am doing a 2-strand twist right here on my little edges, and I am going to unravel this. I'm just gonna let the braid go when I feel it getting too tight. And what's that? That's pretty much just going to loosen up the braid, just right there. It's just loosen it up, and then I, you know, just kind of feel it to make sure it's not too tight, and then I keep it moving, throw it, you know, throw it in my mouth. It sounds so awkward, but yeah, throw it in my mouth and then just keep on braiding. So another tip I want to quickly give is just to make sure you're working in even sections. If you notice, both sides of my hair have about the exact same amount of hair left, and that's pretty much to ensure I don't have too many braids on one side and maybe not enough on the other. And you guys, you can even just brush out your edges if you want to, so you'll see how they lay and how much you're taking out, and then continue to braid your hair if that helps. Alright, hey guys, so I'm back in the living room on the floor, but anyways, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the final look. So this look took me $26 to do 2 packs of hair in a total of 7 hours, and I have 99 braids in my hair. So this is my look for Miami. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm having a sistercation with my sister, so we'll be in Miami for 5 days, and I just did not want to fool with my hair at all. However, I did want to make sure I had some versatility. So yeah, so these are really long, you guys. They go to my butt. I am like 5'3", and they go to my butt crack. So yeah, I did not plan to make these this long. It just kind of happened. I was just very ambitious, and I was just like, well, let me just go ahead and go for it. I got time, so I did it. I initially wanted to do just mini twists that went about here. I've done mini twists plenty times. I will link my mini twist video that I've done down below in the description box, so that you'll have it, so that you'll see. So I planned to just do mini twists with extensions, but somehow along the way I just ended up doing like 30 freaking inch, I think these are 30 inches. They feel like they're 30 inches. But anyways, twist in my head, so whatever. I did end up throwing away the like actual pack of hair and everything. I do apologize. By the time I finished yesterday, I was so freaking worn out. I just didn't even think about it, so I'm sorry. But I will put exactly what I used right here, and I will put the color combinations that I have in my head. I'll put the exact colors that I have in the description box. This is kind of how I always do my hair whenever I do twists. You'll never see me on my channel with super tight bases, whether that's a braid or twist or anything, because I just don't like that. I like for my hair to be loose, to kind of look like it's been in there for a good minute, like a little bit. But also I just don't like to braid my hair really tight. However, the twists are secure, if that makes sense. I can wear my hair however I want to wear it. I don't have a headache, I don't have anything. This hair is super lightweight. Let me talk about the hair real fast. Sorry I'm rushing, I never want to make these simple videos very long. But let me tell you why I love this hair. It's because one, it's super cheap. Well, in my opinion, it's cheap. You get a lot of hair for $13. That is like, yeah. So I got 2 packs of hair for like $26 plus tax or whatever at my beauty supply store. But so when you get the hair, they do come out kind of individually, so you don't have to go around like separating the hair. You could actually just pull the strand out and braid if you wanted to, depending on how big your braid is. As for me, each time I pulled a strand, I either broke that strand up in 2 or 3, just depending on the section I was in. Around the perimeter, I tried to, especially in the back, I tried to do them a lot smaller to catch the hair, because that's just what I like, and they'll stay a little bit better for me. And then kind of when I got to the back, I made them just a tad bit bigger in the back and then kind of up towards the front. But in general, you guys, you just want to make sure you are just kind of evening it up. So if you do small, then maybe go middle, and then go small, and then maybe go middle size, and then go small again. Kind of just keep it like that, and that's the best way that you'll get that the variation of braids, you know, like the different sizes, but it'll all still flow. That's the best way I can kind of just tell you. If you're natural, this hair will definitely work very, very well for you. That's another reason why I really, really like it. Is because it just, the blendability is awesome. It's amazing. I do recommend just getting a, like specifically, just getting a edge control. I use the Miss Jessie's edge control from Target on the majority of my hair. I also use the Main Choice 24 karat glistening gel on some of my hair too. Do not use that jam on it. The jam didn't do anything. I'll list exactly what you should get or what I think would help down in the description box, so that you'll have it too. That jam didn't do anything, and it was a waste of my money, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So yeah. Other than that, you guys, I did dip the hair in hot water. The ends are not like perfect or anything like that, but I'm okay with it. It doesn't bother me at all. As far as how long I'm gonna keep these in, this is gonna be a shocker to you guys, but I'm gonna keep these in for 2 freaking weeks, or I'm gonna try to. Y'all know I do not keep my styles in very long, but I'm gonna do my best, because the 7 hours, I'm not gonna take these out the next 2 days. That's just not happening. And this is probably the best style you could possibly do on vacation. I know everyone loves crochet. I know everyone can't twist as well, or like attach the hair and all that kind of stuff, so I get it. But next to crochet and all that, I think this is a perfect style for vacation. You're able to just do so many different styles, which is something that I wanted. And I don't have to worry about loose hair either. My loose hair, or even like crochet hair, I don't have to worry about it frizzing, loosing, all that kind of stuff. And this is gonna be so easy for me to wash and take care of and all that great stuff. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna keep rambling. I actually have to finish packing because I leave tomorrow. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, look in the description box first, just in case I answered it there. But I'm just joking. If you guys have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Leave them down below. You know I'll answer you. And thank you guys so much. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.